In 1986, over 350,000 people were evacuated from the Chernobyl Exclusion Zone. They left behind everything, but nobody ever explained how an American muscle car ended up here. This is not a Lada. This is not a Moskvich. This is a Pontiac GTO, and it has been waiting here for over 40 years. Wait, what is this even doing here? The Pontiac GTO, born in Detroit, 1964. They called it the Tiger. By 1970, it was the king of American muscle. It was never meant to exist beyond the Iron Curtain. Yet here it is, deep in a radioactive forest, waiting. Inside, underneath the seat, we find documents written in Russian and a name. Viktor, a Soviet trade diplomat, someone who could legally travel abroad, one of the very few. In the 1970s, a handful of Soviet officials had access to hard currency. Some of them used it to bring back forbidden things. A Pontiac GTO was the ultimate forbidden thing. Imagine smuggling a rock and roll album into the Soviet Union. Now imagine smuggling the car. Viktor didn't just bring a car, he brought a statement. The Geiger counter reads elevated, but safe to work. The car has been here since the disaster. April 26, 1986, reactor number 4 explodes. The zone is evacuated within days. Viktor's dacha was 18 kilometers from the reactor. He had 48 hours to leave. He packed his family. He grabbed what he could. But the GTO, it wouldn't start. He left it. He had to. And for 40 years, the forest slowly swallowed America's most famous muscle car. Let's be honest, this is bad, but it is not hopeless. Body, 70% salvageable. Rust is surface level on the quarters, but the floor pans, those will need work. Engine, the block looks solid. Seized, absolutely, but a 400 Pontiac V8 is nearly indestructible. This isn't just a car restoration. It's a resurrection of a story that was never meant to end in a radioactive forest.
Here. All right, applying torque now. Pistons are moving, keep it steady. It's tight. Tight. Yes, they're turning. We got it.
Let's check the cylinder walls. Light rust, but the walls are intact. No scoring. That's a relief.
Easy now, guide it steady. Got it. She's lifting smooth. Look at that empty bay. Like pulling a heart. Keep her level, almost clear.
All right, getting these last bolts out. Rotating it now for the bottom. Pan's clear. Clean bottom end. Perfect crosshatch pattern, just right. Gleams like new, flawless. Pride of craftsmanship right here. Final torque is set. She's solid. Looks perfect. No more play. The heart is home again. Great work.
can't believe it! Yes! Listen to that rumble! 400 big block power! Woo! Rough idle, but she's running! Pure triumph! Yeah, we did it!
"40 years in the dark. Not anymore." Victor, if you're watching this, somehow, somewhere, your tiger is coming home.